Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Chimes account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Chimes account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Chime application on your device. The official page of Chime will be displayed on the screen. Tap on Login option. Now you will end up on the login page of your Chimes account. To log into your account, enter your email address and password associated with your Chimes account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can log into your Chimes account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.